Hey beautiful people, it's time for your 2-minute vocal tip. This one is another silly one. I just love the silly vocal tips because a lot of times when we make sound effects rather than try to sing, we end up engaging the abilities that our body has in it already, and we don't overthink it. So this one is a sound effect. This is a puppy stuck in a closet. This is a great one for if you have trouble getting vocal cord connection. And what I mean by that is a lot of times when we sing high notes, we kind of disconnect. We sound like ooh instead of ooh, like really getting some support and connection on those chords. And it's fine if you're looking for just singing with flow, but if you're looking for some power, then we want to make those vocal cords connect against each other more thickly and with more resistance to the air. That doesn't mean tightening up your throat, but it means engaging your vocal cords. And this sound effect helps you do that. So, puppy stuck in a closet. What does that sound like? It's something like, right? So give that a try. I'm waiting for you. All right, now we're gonna elongate that a little bit. You should feel your belly engaging. You should feel some air support just naturally happening when you make this sound. Give that a try. All right? All right, next we are going to elongate it even further and then open to a vowel. So, like that. You give it a try. It doesn't have to be that note. It can be a much lower note. All right. Use that across your range, especially in your mid to high notes. That's where it's really effective. On your low notes, you probably don't have as much trouble connecting. All right, have fun with that, and I will see you next week. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified whenever I release a new vocal tip, which is about every week. It's been every week. And I also have some new series ideas that I am going to be diving into pretty soon. So I'll probably finish up some, another batch of 2-minute vocal tips and then move on to some warm-ups, some other performance pieces of advice, just all kinds of things for singers in general. So I will see you in the next video.